Kelsey. Today I am doing what's on my iPhone X video. So I did what's on my iPhone like as one of my first videos when I made a YouTube channel, and a lot of people seem to actually like it even though my phone is so boring and I use the same like 3 social media apps. Long story short, my home button on my phone did not work and I decided to get a new one, and I got the iPhone X. I got the one that has the silver back. So this is my case. It's just like pale pink sparkly. It's a spec case, and then I have pop socket. This one's white. It has a little bit of like the pink glitter on it. I actually had this on my other phone. I just switched it over to this one. I have Face ID, so that's cool. I really like it. It's enjoyable. My home screen background. So it says, "Let us not grow weary of doing good, for in due season we will reap if we do not give up." Galatians 6:9. I just really like it. It is one of my absolute favorite verses, and I think it's really motivational just seeing that every day when I open my phone. Once I open my phone, I basically have it set up the same way I had it set up on my other iPhone. So this is basically my phone. It's not too exciting, but it is something. So I have my photos, my maps, weather, YouTube, music, notes, you know, Safari, AOL, all that good stuff. These are probably the apps I use the most. Would be my followers app. So if y'all have thought about getting like an follow app to see like who unfollows you and stuff, I use followers. I've been using it for a really long time. It's free. That's a really great app. Also, another app I love is Poshmark. So I actually have a Poshmark that I used forever, and I was making like $1,000 to $2,000 on it, which is wild, but I haven't really posted a lot in a while. But I can link it below. My name is just Kels. Cheer for life. Yeah, I know, it's super lame, but like I made it when I was like 12. So resale app, it's super awesome. Like I said, I made over $1,000 on it just from like shipping out clothes, because you can really sell it for like the prices that they are worth. Here is the rest of my phone. So then I have GroupMe and Shazam, which is how I get my music, just like see what music's playing. Then I have Snapchat, find my friends, Twitter, clock, obviously. This is a cube game that I play all the time. Facebook, my bank account. I have It Works. It's actually a really cool app. You go on it and you can see I have coins. So what they are is Fit coins. So I have 4,905. And then on the app, you actually go to spin to win. And you can spin the wheel each day and you can receive points, and then points add up to prizes. How that works is, for example, I had 20,000 points at one point and I redeemed them for prizes. So this is not just for distributors or customers. Anyone can get this app and try free products. And this is kind of cool because you could try a product and be like, oh my gosh, I love it, and then order it, or you could be like, not for me, don't want to order that. 2,500 coins gets you a facial. 5,900 gets you a whole pack of 4 essential oils. And like I said, I had 4,905, so I could get a body wrap already. Let's see, messages, Instagram, my phone, and my camera app. So let's go to Instagram. Who is that? So cutie. So this is my Instagram feed right now. It's kind of all over the place. Not like your typical person who has like the same color scheme. I just like take a photo, I edit it a little bit, and if I like it, I upload it. That's kind of just how I feel. And I'm not afraid to post things that I like, which some people are. Like if I love a quote, I'm gonna post it. If I take a picture of my food and I think it looks cool, I'm gonna post it. Like I just don't really care. So yeah, follow me on Instagram if you're feeling like it. It's at Curlykels. I am, you know, trying to like step up my Insta game, so yeah. If y'all ever want to know like what I use to edit, how I edit, like that type of stuff, I'd love to make a video about that. So then this is my second page, so I really don't have like a crazy amount of pages. So with like a flower scheme, and then let's see. This is what I have here. This is all like basic apps, Messenger, Venmo, my Apple Watch, FaceTime, all that stuff. And Font Candy is actually an app that I use for any It Works photos, like that I edit that have like words overlaid. So if you ever need to edit a picture and you want to put a word on it, that's a great app to use. And then over here I have really nothing special. Twisty Arrow is like a fun game I play sometimes. The GIF app. This I actually don't use very much, airbrush, but I will occasionally, and then I had a Disney pass, so I have the Disney app, but I don't have a pass anymore, so. And then this is probably the page I use a decent amount. So Shopkicks is this awesome app where you can earn points for going into stores and you get free gift cards, which is so cool. Dosh is kind of the same thing in a sense. You get money and rebates for spending money. And I have a link below I can leave if y'all want to download it. Then I have my Sprinkle of Jesus app, my Scanner app, and my Square app. So both of those are used for like school purposes. Netflix, and then this app is also really cool. Someone told me about it. You can play it, earn points, and then you can win free stuff. I haven't won anything yet, but you never know. And then PicMonkey I use to edit pictures occasionally. Influencer is an app that I use to get like free marketing type things through YouTube. Some of the videos I do that are sponsored through Influencer. And then on this page, nothing exciting. So yeah, that is my phone, guys. It's nothing too exciting. I really just love like taking pictures, Instagram. I go on Instagram a lot. That's where I do most of my work, business, make my money is all through Instagram, social media, Facebook, and I really don't use Twitter. I have a Twitter. I'll occasionally make a tweet or two, retweet some stuff. All my Instagram pictures link to my Twitter, so I guess like in a way I kind of do use it often, but I don't like go on the app often. But if you want to follow me on Twitter, it's just Kelsey Otis. Help me grow my Instagram. That is really what I'm focusing on right now. I have some awesome links down below that'll be for the different apps I talked about and how you can get them and get free money, and how you can also download them with a special code, which is awesome. Oh, and I wanted to mention that I am like obsessed with this phone because now I have portrait mode on the camera. I record on a Canon Rebel T5i and the picture quality is awesome, like amazing, but so are these. Like, I'm not even kidding, some of these photos actually might look a little bit better. So don't ever feel like discouraged, like you can't take awesome Instagram photos from your phone, because you so can. And I'm so excited you guys clicked on this video. I love y'all, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.